Are you exhausted from spending countless hours trying to create the perfect ads? What if I told you there's a game-changing solution at your fingertips? Today, I'm unveiling the incredible power of AI that can revolutionize your ad creation process. Imagine crafting stunning ads like this, or this, in just minutes. Stick around, because in a moment, I'll reveal how AI can completely transform your user-generated content for Facebook ads, TikTok, or any social media platform. But first, let's dive into some jaw-dropping examples of AI in action. From breathtaking visuals to captivating videos, you'll be amazed at what AI can produce.
So, you definitely should not check out these Grun's Daily Gummies. I mean, who needs 60 potent ingredients in one gummy, right? Definitely avoid this if you want to keep getting sick.
Trust me, you don't want to miss how effortlessly you can generate real, human-like content for your Facebook ads. If you're ready to elevate your ads and dive into the world of AI-powered, user-generated content, let's dive in! Introducing Topview AI, the cutting-edge platform revolutionizing video content creation. Topview harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to streamline your video creation process. Say goodbye to tedious editing sessions and creative roadblocks. With Topview AI, you have a smart assistant ready to bring your ideas to life quickly and effortlessly. Simply use the link in the video description to sign up with your Google or Apple account. It's as easy as ABC. Once signed in, you'll be directed to the main page. Here, you'll discover the various tasks this AI tool can perform, including avatar marketing video tools, converting long videos into shorts, photo talking avatar, AI voice generator, video script extractor, and finally, the upcoming real-time chat avatar. Let's start by trying the avatar marketing video. First, click Create Videos with AI. The first step is to copy the URL of any product you'd like to promote, such as from Amazon, eBay, Shopify, and more. For this example, I'll create an ad for a product from Amazon. I'll copy the product's URL and paste it into the designated field, then click the Analyze Link button. In just a few seconds, it extracts the content for you to select or deselect according to your preferences. Once you're ready, click Continue. Topview AI will automatically generate the product title and video description. You can edit these if you wish, but I usually leave them as is because I trust the tool. Next, scroll down to choose the video ratio. I prefer a 9:16 ratio. After that, select the video's language. I'll choose English, then pick the voice. I'll leave it on automatic. Finally, select the avatar that best suits your product. Under the More Options section, you can adjust the video length from 30 seconds to 1 minute. Add an end card if desired, and even watermark your video by uploading a logo or image. Once you're done, click Generate. In less than a minute, Topview AI provides you with 3 videos, each with a different script. You can edit the script and regenerate the video to suit your creative vision. I like the script for this one, so let's see how it turned out.
Carrera smart glasses, not just eyewear, but your new lifestyle essential. Ask Alexa to play your favorite jams, hands-free. It's a vibe! Podcast and Audible? Say less, it's all in your glasses. Open-ear audio calling means your phone stays packed away. Next-gen audio without those uncomfortable headphones. Enjoy crystal clear sound while keeping your ears free. Turn on the lights or lock your door, all from your frames. Fashion.
This is awesome. Click on Export to download the video. Now let's move on to our next tool, called Photo Talking Avatar. You might be wondering what this tool does. Click on it to try converting a photo into an avatar. Upload the reference image of your choice. Just make sure it's clear and shows the face properly, like this one. You can either input text to be converted into audio or import an existing audio file. After that, click Generate and wait a few seconds for the result.
If you're still here, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content from this channel.
Let's move on to the third AI tool, the AI voice generator. Here's how it works. Simply enter the text you want the AI to convert into audio, select your preferred voice, and hit Generate. In no time, your text will be transformed into a human-sounding voice with emotion that doesn't feel robotic. Another great tool on Topview AI is the video script extractor, which allows you to extract scripts from YouTube, TikTok, Amazon, or any other social media platform. All you have to do is paste the link and click Free Extract. Then, voila! You have the script ready to go. Topview AI is an essential tool for any content creator or social media expert looking to streamline their workflow. Now, here's the best part. Topview AI reached out to me and offered a fantastic discount on their starter package. Instead of paying $14, you can get it for just $9.50 for the first month. To take advantage of this offer, use the link in the video description to sign up for this amazing tool. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.